पसंद है वो भैया।
नहीं लग रहा कि यहाँ तक की वीडियो है। फिर आ रहा है।
हेलो हेलो चेक 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 हेलो 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 चेक चेक हेलो हेलो चेक हेलो हेलो चेक 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 हेलो हाँ हेलो 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 चेक हेलो हेलो चेक चेक
the events of yesterday and approach the new day with renewable energy and optimism. This morning is a new beginning, a new chance to our GNM first year students to rewrite their nursing life story, oath taking and lamp lighting ceremony.
To welcome our Honorable Director Sir, MGM Medical College and LSK Hospital, Kishanganj, who is currently the State President of BJP Bihar, Cabinet Minister, Department of Revenue and Land Reform, Government of India, third Government of Bihar, third time MLC. Let us honor the King by cheering respectful sentiment concerning him, speaking of him with affection, with esteem and reverence, and by promoting a like spirit and conduct in others. I am very honored to welcome you, sir. In his absence, I welcome you, sir.
We are humbled by the presence and honored to introduce guest, a true leader and youngsters visionary who is backbone of our university. I feel overwhelmed to welcome such a innovative personality, our Registrar Sir of Mata Gujri University, Dr. Ikshit Bharat Sir. Without your support and guidance, this program is incomplete. Welcome you, sir, for sharing your time. In his absentia, I welcome you, sir.
I would like to extend my warm welcome to our Vice Chancellor of Mata Gujri University, Dr. Sudeep Bose, sir. We feel incredible privilege and honor to have you, sir, our chief guest on this occasion. We welcome you, sir.
Medical Superintendent of MGM Medical College and LSK Hospital, your presence is greatly appreciated and we are honored to have you join us in this celebration. We welcome you, sir.
Special guest, Principal of Mata Gujri College of Pharmacy and Aligned Health and Paramedical Science, Dr. Subhendu Devroy, sir, who has been an exemplary figure and innovator who stand with us. We welcome you, sir.
Vice Principal, Dr. Debendu Shil sir, Mata Gujri College of Pharmacy, who has been always a motivator to all of us. We welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome Principal of Mata Gujri College of Nursing for her presence, which adds great honor and prestige to this occasion. Dr. M. Chinna Devi, ma'am. We welcome you, ma'am.
Dr. Sarjeet Moideng Themba, sir, MGM GNM Nursing School, such expertise and insight will provide valuable learning to all of us. We welcome you, sir. Of Pharmacy, College of Nursing and Nursing School.
I would like to welcome all non-teaching staff and 2023 batch and warmly welcome all my dear students of 2020.
Our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is a symbolic moment that signifies honor to invite all the honorable dignitaries to light the lamp.
मनोभूत कोटि प्रभाश्री शरीर
to Vice Principal of Mata Gujri College of Pharmacy.
Now I now
Now you could compare him to a tripod. Honorable Director of MGM Medical College and LSK Trust, an Honorable Minister, Land and Revenue in the government of Bihar, and now also the President of BJP. In absentia, the respected Registrar, Mata Gujri University in absentia, Principal of GNM Nursing School, Principal, the Medical Superintendent of MGM Medical College and LSK Hospital, the Principal of BSc Nursing College, Principal and Vice Principal of College of Pharmacy, all faculty members, heads of department, all faculty members of different disciplines, all categories of staff, my dear students, all the batches, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a proud privilege for me to be able to be present here on this auspicious occasion. Last Saturday, when the lamplighting ceremony of the nursing college was held, it was very unfortunate. That I could not be present. I was not in town. I wish you all the best, the very best, and I hope you understand from this occasion the importance of this. Florence Nightingale, and comforting them in their hour of sorrow, misery, suffering, intense suffering. So look upon this with this attitude and try to develop. And I would also like to assure you and to highlight the fact that here you are not only doing a theoretical course, you have excellent faculty, committed faculty, not only faculty members, but you are committed to teaching. And above all them is also that they have adequate patience from where you can get first-hand experience. You get to have an experience. It's not a textbook teaching, not on mannequins alone, but on life patience. So utilize this time with your teachers, faculty members, and the patients, and improve upon yourself. I wish you all the best, the very best.
Now, may I request respected Medical Superintendent of MGM Medical College and LSK Hospital to say something on this occasion.
Honorable Registrar, sir, our Vice Chancellor, and Principals of College of Nursing, School of Nursing, and the Pharmacy College, faculty members, and my dear students. It's an important occasion for the beginners, and as a medical superintendent, we see a lot of, come across the nursing staff who takes care of the patient. Actually, as sir told already, that most of the time, patients are taken care by the nurses in the ward rather than the doctors. Doctors, they just give orders or they just operate the patient and leave it in the ward or room. And finally, who is the person in continuous contact with the patient is the nurses. So you have to be you have to show the sympathy, empathy towards the patient. And our institute has got one of the best.
Now, I request our respected Principal Ma'am of Mata Gujri College of Nursing to share few words with.
For all the nurses, those who are going to take oath-taking and lamplighting ceremony. We are taking a oath saying that we will take care of the patients in the hospital whatever the situation comes. When you take the oath, you understand and take the oath. All the very best for your future and keep up the profession wherever you work.
Principal of Mata Gujri College of Pharmacy and Allied Health and Paramedical Science, to say something on this occasion.
College of Nursing, GNM Nursing School, respected Medical Superintendent Sir of Medical College, respected Vice Principal Pharmacy College, my dear colleagues from all the colleges and my dear students. देखिए, हिंदी चलेगा ना? ओके। हम यहाँ पे गैदर हुए किस लिए? लैंप लाइटिंग के लिए। लैंप लाइटिंग, ये लैंप लाइटिंग को सिंबलाइज मत कीजिए कि सिंबलाइज हम लोग एक दिन लैंप लाइटिंग कर दिए और बस भूल गए। ये जो लैंप है ये सेवा के लिए है और ये लैंप लाइटिंग सेरेमनी उसी दिन सफल होगा जब आपके अंदर ये लैंप हमेशा जलता रहेगा। किस बात के लिए? सेवा के लिए। टू सर्व द पीपल। ये फीलिंग आपके अंदर हमेशा होना चाहिए और आपके अंदर ये लैंप हमेशा जलते रहना चाहिए, तभी आप सक्सेसफुल होगे। देखो, आप यहाँ पे पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, अभी आपका काम पढ़ाई करना है, सीखना है, अपने आप को कल के लिए तैयार करना है। जब आप निकल के जाओगे, जब आप यहाँ से निकल के जाओगे, पैसा तो सभी कमाते हैं, आप भी कमाओगे, लेकिन आपका काम सबसे नोबेल है। एक पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल में एंटर करने से रिलीज होके जाने तक आप उसका साथ देना पड़ेगा, आपको उसका साथ देना पड़ेगा और उसी हिसाब से अपने आप को तैयार करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है ना? डॉक्टर साहब आएंगे, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन करेंगे, आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन देंगे, चले जाएंगे। पेशेंट का साथ कौन देगा? आप दोगे। तो आपके अंदर अगर ये लैंप हमेशा जलता रहे तो मेरा देश स्वस्थ रहेगा। है ना? तो तैयारी करो। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Now I request Vice Principal Sir of Mata Gujri College of Pharmacy to share a few words.
I want to thank that I'm invited here, and on this auspicious occasion, in front of you, say a few words. Very good morning, all of you. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Mata Gujri University, MS future, and hope you will do better. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We would like to request all the dignitaries to step down and occupy their respective seat of the dais. Lighting and oath-taking ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and
Moments of love, we shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of bliss, but for the showers we plead, we shall be showers of blessing. Sound of the burdens of rain, showers of blessing, showers of blessing beneath. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we love, waters of love. Grant to us now a refreshing. Come and now honor thy word. Falling, but for the showers we plead. We shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. We shall be seasons We shall be showers of blessing. Send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing. Come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessings refreshing. Sent from the Savior above. Drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. We shall be showers of blessing, precious rewarding again. Over the hills and the valleys, sound of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. We shall be showers of blessing. Send them upon us, of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling. We shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. We shall be seasons refreshing. Sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. We shall be seasons refreshing. Sent from the Savior above.
For God and the presence of in this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. Yes. And will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty, will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.
आप लोग बैठ जाइए ना प्लीज, आप लोग साइड हो जाइए, बैठ जाइए। मैडम बैठ जाइए।
University. His guidance and support in his absentia. I would like to thank Vice Chancellor of Malkapuri University. Medical
हाँ ऐसे आ रहा है सर। देख लेते हैं। ठीक है देखिए तो जैसा सब कैमरा की तरफ देखिए। कर दीजिए लाइट थोड़ा ना डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है। जूम कर सकते ना थोड़ा सा। बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है। सब इधर देखिएगा। सब देखिएगा कैमरे की तरफ। हो गया मैम।